So this is a little thing that I got from Goodwill, y'all. It was $3.99. This one piece didn't really go with it. They charged me 49 cents for it because it was the closest thing that could fit in there and look almost like the other ones. I purchased it, and my plan is to paint it, and then I'm gonna paint it, and I want to probably set some little candles in those. The color is like a dark brown, but I think I would prefer it to be another color. I'm not sure what color right away. So I'm gonna go look at some paints that I have in here and see what color I want to paint it. I'm not gonna paint the glasses. I think they're cute, the frosted way they are. And I'll just buy like some tea lights or whatever to go on the insides of them. But I'm gonna go look through my paint and see what I have, because I'm not buying no extra paint for this. It's a small little project, won't take that long to do. I spent altogether $4.50, so I'm gonna make it look a little bit, I'm gonna spruce it up. I'm gonna spruce it up for the new house. Haven't decided where I want it to go yet, and I think that is what I need to do. I need to figure out what room I want to put it in. That way I can know what color I want it to be. But let me just go look at my paint inventory. So I decided to spray paint it gold. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to add some gold tips to the glasses. So let me see. I'm gonna put some water in a bowl, and I'm just gonna spray some of the gold spray paint into the bowl, and I'll just dip these glasses in there and see if I can get somewhat of a little marble. I have some water in this little container. I'm gonna spray some paint on the top, and then I'm gonna just dip the glasses. Hold on, y'all. Okay, just like that. And I'm gonna take the glasses, and I'm just gonna kind of dip like that and get it around the edge, the top. Like so. I'm not trying to get that much. Got a little bit too much for that one. And I'm gonna have to spray some more. I'm gonna do that one again because it didn't get a lot. Alrighty. And like I said, these will be setting. I think I'm gonna use these as part of my centerpiece of my kitchen table, my kitchen dining room table. Not kitchen, but dining room table. again, I'm gonna add some little tea lights in there, and I think they're gonna be nice. Let me take the rest of the stickers off. But yeah, I got this for $4.50 at Goodwill. All right, y'all, so this is before and this is after. What do y'all think? Post in the comment section.